Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi.
It's me at the top. Money on my mind. Don't care what they yarning about me in particular.
Nostalgia, this road. Was it like a taxi?
Yeah, was it open? I'm actually a bit glad that not many people raised their hands, only because you still have time. You're not meant to have everything figured out. Every day is a new opportunity to learn more about yourself, to figure out what you want to do.
Hi guys, this is a little update. We will be done by what time? 1 o'clock? 3? Was it not 9 to?
Those kids are on a tour. They only want to come here after the tour.
Yeah, the career day is going well. We're done with our presentations. Now we're just waiting for the students to come back so that we can tell them more about the Faculty of Veterinary Science and sell it to them so that hopefully they can join us. And now, but they must be our future veterinary. Suffer with us.
There's no future vet by nothing. Suffer along with us. Future vet.
So, something making sure we are pure mates, we are foolish, and then we are leave. And then the subject is the University of Victoria Veterinary Science. It will just open, you go in, you go to the website, and then you just go like post-school Look at what we made.
And there are essentially two types of heart failure. The first one we call systolic heart failure. And systolic refers to systole, which is the phase of the cardiac cycle where blood is pumped out of the heart. And so
You have it with you. Okay. Do you have it?
I found it.
Okay. What is it in Africa?
Once we were done with our classes, we just decided to go out and also do some shopping.
I can feel the tears in my eyes when I think of you in my life. Anytime you lay by my side, there's not much that makes me rise. You pulled me for a kiss, a brand new day. Wouldn't take me much to make me stay. Soon I'll be on my way to you.
They can stew any meat. They can stew any meat. And then over the Goros.
A merchandiser from Sailage, please report to
Okay, so we're gonna start first with the basically blood. It's either oxygenated blood or deoxygenated blood, and then you
as well. Okay, so do you see the treatment? It's got a number of potential things in it. Okay. Treatment. We want something better than acetic acid. Okay, so what do we use?
wayefuna ukuthi sihambe manje kumnandi kanje lana hayi mana uye kungimoshela kumnandi wena ngwane ukuthi wena unoyaka
and the wisdom of a medical science student, I definitely know a healthy decision when I see one, which is why I decided to take you guys through my routine with my face in the morning. So this is what I do, and so far it's been working. At first I used to always change my products because they used to burn my face, but I think I found the right brand. I firstly wash my face with a face wash. This is a pimple remover. I don't always use it. I use it interchangeably with clear soap, as well as a face mask, which I use once a week. Sometimes I skip a week. Then I pat my face dry. Next, I apply tissue oil. It has been helping with making my face feel less irritable, and I'm hoping it's helping with the scars as well. And then I apply my facial moisturizer. It does have some sun protection factor in it. And lastly, I use my sunscreen, which also has sun protection factor in it. And then I am good to go. Oh, lastly, some lip gloss.
So then with the
This was really
Take me down, 21. What a hectic day. Gikatele. I'm tired.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How it feels is killing me. But you care to see plenty fire in my eyes, just the way I like to be. Will I stay? Will I be? I can figure out myself when I'm distant in my world. I can hold on to the past and be.
I learned it.
My campus has us writing tests every week. So every Monday, the second years are writing, every Tuesday, third years are writing, every Wednesday, fourth years are writing, and so forth.
Ê, cái lên đều.
After spending the day with my brother, I just spent the rest of my day with my friend Uyamkela, and we were just yapping. We've come to the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.
So yeah, bye.